Hi everybody, it's Saturday, it's the weekend, and we're all missing takeaways, so today I'm going to show you my little recipe of a Thai chicken curry. It's really yummy, got a little bit of spice, lots of ingredients, and it's also really good for you. Here you go guys, enjoy the recipes in the comments. Okay guys, so these are the ingredients you need for your curry. I put peas, carrots, beans, mushrooms, onions, potatoes in mine. Also, it would be good to have some garlic. I didn't have any fresh, so I used crushed garlic, ginger, of course the curry paste. I use this stuff, but of course you can also make your own if you want to make it really authentic. A little bit of lemon, coconut cream, coconut milk, the oils to fry, of course, these ingredients first, salt and pepper for taste, a little bit of fish sauce as well. Obviously chicken is a big element of a chicken curry. All right guys, let's get cooking. And there you have it guys. Make sure you have it on low and keep it simmering for a little while. The best thing to do is make this early and then let it sit for a while and eat it for dinner. So enjoy!